A quick update from me on our safety channel here and our safety business, and that is a new direction that we're going in. If you want to find out more, stay tuned. If you haven't worked it out already, we're taking to the skies, bringing together our specialist knowledge in industry and putting it alongside emerging and cutting-edge drone technology. Yes, we'll be providing a specialist drone inspection service using drone technology across industrial settings. For us, this seems like a really logical segue between our risk experience that we've had over consulting for a number of years and working within different sectors of business and bringing together the emergent drone technology that can do amazing things in terms of reducing risk and cost to businesses. So we're really excited about this. What does it mean for our channel here? Well, maybe the most exciting thing about all of this for me personally is that because we're getting access to this really amazing drone technology, we also have the opportunity to create some fascinating, intriguing content for our safety channel here. So that is our intention. I don't want to give away too much about what sort of content we're going to be creating here. We're just going to start doing it and releasing it on the channel, telling a few stories around the content itself. So maybe that's something that piques your interest. If it is, do let us know. Let us know what you think about this direction. We will be splitting that off within the channel from our general HSE learning content, of course. But for now, we're going to keep it all in one place and obviously make people aware of the work that we're doing. We also want to document the journey of launching this new service. Hopefully alongside our clients, we'll be able to give you samples of the work that we're doing and sort of take you through some of the pain points, new developments, the learning, the rights, the wrongs, etc. that we're going through as we learn. And that's something that I'll be doing over the next few weeks and months, and I'm really excited about it. So if this is something that is interesting, sounds cool to you, do let us know and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and we'll keep you updated as soon as we can. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.